Hey everybody, welcome back to those of you who know me. I'm RenovaSHAN. Welcome to those of you that do not. On my channel, I look to make people happy. Today I'm on my way to see my good friend Brian and give him a hand with the project. I'm really excited for it. It's actually something that we've been talking about for quite a while now, and we're looking to surprise his wife by getting it done today. If you like this style video, you want to see more like this on my channel, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you have not already. I'll see you when I get to my buddy's house. All right, everybody, I'm here at my friend Brian's house. Okay. Oh, that's Lily. Hey, Lily girl. Anyway, we're here and we're getting ready to start our project. I'm gonna set you up on a tripod and kind of just like record. Plan is to paint these nightstands. Brian's wife Michelle would like them to be white, so we are gonna paint them. Yeah, happy wife, happy life, am I right? The paint that we're going to be using is the Bare Interior Exterior High Gloss Enamel. I find it very durable. While Brian was taking off the hardware, I was getting the paint ready. And then we were ready to get started. I started with the top, and I kept adding coats and having Michelle look at it to see if it was dark enough. Once Michelle said the color was dark enough, I knew how many coats I needed to put on the remaining sides of the nightstands. I had to paint quickly because it was hot and the paint kept getting clumpy in the can. Once we had all the paint on, we needed to add a top coat to prevent the nightstands from chipping. We used a Rust-Oleum spray that had a flat finish. We have to spray paint these because they're out of the gold ones. And Princess Michelle wants gold hardware. That she's eating pizzas. You can eat what you want, you're a princess. And yeah, so we're gonna tape these off so we don't get on the clear knobs, the gold paint, and then we'll put it on the nightstand and we're done. So here we got the finished product. Michelle, how do you feel?
I love it.
Happy?
Everything I dreamed of before.
Cram?
She's happy, she's happy.
Yeah, I feel you on that. Babe, what do you think? Do you like it? Lil, you good? Alright, we'll leave you two alone. Oh boy. Overall, I'm really happy with how the project came out. I had a lot of fun hanging out with Michelle and Brian to get this done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to drop a comment down below, and I'll try to do more RenovaSHANs. Talk to you guys in the next one. Later.